Okay, students. Today I will solve one important division sum. You just follow this sum, then you can solve any kind of division sum. You can solve easily. Okay. So how I do this sum step by step. You listen carefully. Then you can solve any division sum. Okay. So I have taken this number. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So 86,344 divided by 43. First you have to choose how many digits you have to take first for divide. That's very important. You have to choose 2 digit or 1 digit. That's very important. So I already told you many times. I told you first you have to check the divisor how much number is bigger than dividend. So now see, I will take number. How I take? See, so 86,344 divided by 43. So first I will take 2 digit. See, 43 less than 86. So 86 bigger than the divisor 43. So we can take 2 digits. That is I think you clear in this how many digits you want to take. I think you are clear in this matter. Okay, so I think you don't have any doubt on this. First you have to take 2 digit or 1 digit. So I think you don't have doubt. You are clear. So I will continue. I have taken 2 digit. So 86. First I want to find out the I don't know 43 table. So simply I told you if you know multiplication. So you can use multiplication. Okay. So first I will take 2 times. 2 into 43. So 2 3s are 6. Okay. Then 4 2s are 8. 86. So 243 is equal to 86. So 243 is equal to 86. So 86 if you subtract you can get 0. So what's the next step? You have to take down one digit, another digit. So 3 is there. Now I will take down 3. So I told you every time you have to check the divisor always smaller than the dividend. But here this situation 3 is smaller than the divisor. It means 43. So we cannot divide. These kind of situations, what you will do? You have to put 0 in quotient and dividend also. See, I will put 1 0 up and here I will put 1 0 down. So I will subtract. So 3 minus 0, 3. So after division, every time we have to take down one digit. So I will take one digit 4. See, now 34 compared with 43, we cannot divide. What you will do? Again, I will do the same step. So I will put 2 0, here 1 0. So now I will subtract. 34 minus 0, so you know very well 34. Okay, so after division, we have to take down one digit. So as per the rule, I will take 1 4. Now see, 43 344, compare that this big number. Now we can divide. So now you have to tell the table 43. So how many times we can, how many 43s are there in 344? I will take simply 5 times. 5 into 43. So 5 3s are 15, remainder 1. 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21. So 215. So I want to take more times. So 5, I will take 7 times. 7 into 43. So 7 3s are 21, remainder 2. 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 30. So 301. So I want to take one more times. I think 8 times. So 8 into 43. 3 8s are 24, remainder 2. 8 4s are 32 plus 2, 36. 34. Yes, 344. So 8 times. So 843. 843 is equal to 344. So 0 is the remainder. So 2008 is the quotient. So every time you have to check your answer is right or wrong. So you know very well the division algorithm. As per the algorithm, you know very well. So quotient multiplied by divisor. Anyway, you can take this side also, no problem. So as per the algorithm, divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So divisor 43 multiplied by quotient 2008 plus remainder 0. So first of all I will multiply this. 8 3s are 24, 4 remainder 2. Okay, 8 4s are 32 plus 2 34. Okay, now 0, you know very well, 0 0. Now again 0 0 0. Again 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Okay, 4 4 3 6 8. So 8 6 3 4 4. So these both are same. 8 6 3 4 4. So my answer is correct. Students, I hope you all are understand this sum. So you just follow what I told this way. You follow this method. You can easily solve any kind of problem. I hope you understand this method. So you do the other exercise sums as a homework. Okay, you just do it and show me. If you have any problem, you just text me message, send me message. I will help you. No problem. Okay. Okay. Hello students. Last video I have taken some example sum. I have solved that example sums. Today I will take some the exercise 5, one example sum. Okay, exercise 5 in one sum. The sum is 8,888 divided by 36. So I will solve this sum. So you see carefully, then you can it helps to solve the other sums. Okay. So 8,888 divided by 36. So first of all I told you it's very important how many digits you want to take. I mean how many digits first you want to take. 2 digits or first 1 digit. Depends upon divisor. You would have to choose. Okay. So here 36 is 2 digit number. So I will take 2 digit number here. Easily I can tell. How? Because 36 compared to 88 is big number. Okay. So we can take 2 digit. So 88. How many 36 are there in this 88? So if I take 2 times. So 36. 6 plus 6 12. Remainder 1. 4 plus 3 7. So 72. Okay, 72 is okay. Now 236 are 72. Now I want to subtract. So 8 minus 2 6. 8 minus 7 1. So 16 as a reminder. So I will take one more digit is there, 8. So how many 36 are there in this 168? So first I will take 3 times. 3 into 36. So 6 3s are 18. Remainder 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1. 10. So 108. So I will take more than 3. Okay. So 4 times. I will take 4 times. 4 into 36. 6 4s are 32. Remainder 3. Sorry. 6 4 are 24. So 4 remainder 2. So 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. 144. Okay, 144 we can take. If you take 5 times, 5 into 36, 6 5s are 30, remainder 0, 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 18. So 18 compared to 168 is big number. So we cannot take 5 times, we can take 4 times. So 436 is equal to 144. So if you subtract 8 minus 4, 4, 6 minus 4, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. So now I will take down 8. 248. So how many 36 are there in 248? We want to find out. So I already told you I have 5 times 180. So I will take 7. I will check 6 times. So 6 into 36. 6 is 36. Remainder 3. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3, 21. So 260. Suppose I will take 7 times. 7 into 36. 6 sevens are 42. 4. 3 sevens are 21 plus 4, 25. 252. Compare that, this is big number. So I will take 6 times. So 636 are 216. So I will subtract 8 minus 6, 2, 4 minus 1, 3. So 32 is the remainder. Quotient is 246. So I will check my answer is right or wrong. Okay. Whenever you solve this kind of sum in division, you have to check your answer is right or wrong. So I told you the algorithm, divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Okay. So divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So here divisor 36 multiplied by quotient 246 plus remainder 32. Okay. So first I will multiply 6 is 36, remainder 3. So 6 3s are 18 plus 3, 21. Okay. Then 4 6 are 24, remainder 2. Then 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14. Okay. Then 2 6 are 12, remainder 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. So 6, 5, 6, 8, 8. So, 8, 8, 5, 6. So 8, 8, 5, 6 plus 32. So 8, 8, 8, 8. My answer is correct. So I got 4 8. So my answer is correct. So this way you can check. Then remaining exercise sums are there. You do as a homework. Okay.